Do you like chicken stew? 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 Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you my secret recipe for chicken stew. Really guys, you're gonna love this one and I guarantee you cannot have enough of it. So if you're ready, let's get started. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you try it at home. Let me know whether you prefer it with pasta or without it. Comment down below what you want to see. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, and I'll see you next time.